we go.
In mountain time.
Here we go. There we go.
The National Weather Service in Midland, Odessa has issued a flash flood warning for Ector County in western Texas, Midland County in western Texas, until 1:15 p.m. Central Time. At 10:02 a.m. Central Time, broadcast media reported heavy rain in Odessa. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: rain spotters reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Midland, Odessa, Greenwood, Goldsmith, Midland International Air and Spaceport, West Odessa, Moorfield, Odessa Schlemeyer Field, SkyWest Airport, Pleasant Farms, Cotton Flat, Midland Air Park, and Penwell. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Midland, Odessa has issued a flash flood warning for southeast